Tired of seeing that dreaded device not compatible message when you try to launch eFootball? Let's get you back on the virtual pitch. First things first, let's rule out the simplest fix is your game and device up to date. Navigate to your device's App Store. That's either the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for eFootball and check if there's an update available if there is. Tap that update button and let it download and install sometimes. Older versions of the game just aren't supported on newer operating systems, or vice versa. Next, ensure your device's operating system is also up to date. This is crucial as eFootball and other modern games often require the latest system features and security patches go into your device's settings. Look for software update or system update. And if an update is available, download and install it. This might take a few minutes and require a device restart. Now, let's consider your device's hardware. eFootball, like many graphically intensive games, has minimum system requirements while checking exact specs can be complex. A good indicator is if your device is relatively new and generally performs well with other demanding apps and games. If your device is older or struggles with other games, it might simply not have the processing power or RAM to run eFootball smoothly. If updates are complete and your device is reasonably capable, try clearing the game's cache. Go to your device's settings, find apps or applications, locate eFootball, and then tap on storage. You'll see options to clear cache and sometimes clear data. Start with clearing cache. This can resolve temporary glitches without deleting your game progress. If clearing the cache didn't do the trick, consider restarting your device. A simple reboot can refresh system resources and resolve minor software conflicts after restarting. Try launching eFootball again. If it still doesn't work, and you've confirmed your device meets the general requirements, it might be worth checking the official eFootball support forums or community pages for any specific device or known compatibility issues. Sometimes patience and waiting for a future game update is the best solution for older hardware. Hopefully, these steps have helped you overcome those compatibility hurdles and get you back in the game. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gaming tips.